Yo, welcome back to Dependent, where you and I make skincare products with not too many ingredients and not too much time. Today's creations are these delightful, adorable, wonderful smelling 3-ingredient lotion bars that are leaves. Look, leaves. Why make your own lotion? Well, most store-bought lotions today come jam-packed with man-made chemicals or synthetic chemicals. Synthetic chemicals are skin irritants, endocrine disruptors, which affect your hormones and cause birth defects and other developmental disorders. And they're carcinogenic. I can't believe I didn't butcher that word. Now that we're scared, let's make some lotion. Tallow or oil of your choice. Tallow is a highly moisturizing beef fat. It's similar to our human cells, which gives us power. I recommend olive oil, hemp seed oil as alternatives if you're cool with green lotion. Mango butter is a good alternative to popular shea butter, which I'm allergic to. Mango butter is great for sensitive skin and is a source for vitamin A, which helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Beeswax, primarily being used to harden our lotion bars, but also since it's colder out, the wax provides a protective layer to keep all of your yummy, delicious moisture on lock. And for optional ingredients, essential oils, just for the smell of it this time. This mix literally is liquefied fall. You have frankincense, which tightens skin. Sweet orange increases collagen production and blood flow, and cinnamon, which increases blood flow for soft skin. Of course, you can use whichever essential oils you would like. These are just my choices, and I included the benefits because would it really be a Japanese video if I did not go overboard with telling you benefits. Supplies. You need 2 pots for a double boiler method, and since I'm broke, and since you're probably watching me, you might be broke too, I'm going to show you how to fake a double boiler. Or you can microwave the ingredients, but you're losing nutrients, so you might as well just spend a little extra time. Silicone mold or jar. You can have either of these ready as the wax hardens quickly. I got my silicone molds from, what's that place? Michael's. I usually catch them when they're on sale, and we're going to be using the leaf molds today because it's fall. It's fall. Even though it's really cold outside, it's still fall. You want to use a non-metal or stainless steel utensil to stir. And of course, links to the ingredients and molds will be found in the description box. Alright, let's do the dang thing. Question of the day. What's your favorite season? I'm obsessed with fall, even if it's only 2 weeks in Georgia. Thank you, Georgia. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay soft and supple, and I'll see you next week.